carbon fiber galore. The hood right there, here carbon fiber, more carbon fiber there, right there. This spoiler, this is also carbon fiber. Oh, I forgot this one. Spare wheel cover, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are checking out this awesome MANHART G-Wagon. It is a tuned G-Wagon. It has some engine tuning and an exhaust from MANHART, and it has a body kit by Top Car Design. So it is quite an extreme car, this. It looks freaking badass. And today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the cool stuff on it. Then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates when we upload a new video, so you don't miss any cool videos. And you can also check us out on Instagram if you like, at AutoTopNL. So let's start with the body kit, because that is of course the most, present thing right now. It looks mean as hell. So we've got a black G-Wagon G63, and well, I'm going to try and show you all the carbon stuff on it that's from Top Car. I don't know if I can find it all because it is a lot. Hope I don't forget anything. Okay, let's start with this, the hood. It has these crazy carbon fiber vents on the side and at the front as well. Carbon fiber there. I mean, this looks just awesome, like the nostrils of a dragon. We've got some more carbon fiber right there around the headlights. We've got carbon fiber here around the daytime running lights, or what's that? Yeah, that's a daytime running light. All in the front bumper, very aggressive bumper design. With this entire under part is carbon fiber as well, that lower part. It has these carbon fiber fenders, which looks really, really good. Of course, the G63 is quite wide already, and this carbon fiber combined with that black really makes it even more mean. We've got Top Car wheels as well, 23-inch 305 section at the front, which is massive. Some AMG brakes behind that, and some carbon fiber inlays all down the side of the car. A G700 logo, because this car has 700 horsepower, and that's the Top Car logo, that shark. Pretty cool. More carbon fiber there, more carbon fiber right there, all across the side. And we've got a MANHART exhaust right there, which looks really, really cool, and it sounds even better. More carbon fiber, as I said, at the rear. And these are also 305 tires. So 305 all around. At the rear, we've got this air vent right here, carbon fiber. We've got this spoiler, carbon fiber. We've got this part on the side, carbon fiber. Oh, I forgot this one. This is also carbon fiber. Across the front with these lights in there. Very, very cool. Looks so mean. And well, we haven't driven it on the Autobahn yet. So we're going to do a 100 to 200 test as well. So this is our draggy. You guys know it by now. You can buy it in our store. Put that right there. We've got a carbon fiber spare wheel cover with that massive shark on there. Absolutely huge. This is the name of the car, G700 Inferno. Pretty badass. Rear bumper, carbon fiber. Lower part diffuser, carbon fiber. It is carbon fiber galore on this car. It is really insane. So the engine, 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, stock 585 horsepower, 850 newton meters. Now with the MANHART performance upgrade, it has 700 horsepower and 1100 newton meters of torque, which is insane. That car moves around like crazy when you hit the throttle. And it also has this really cool Kevlar, I think it's Kevlar plating, heat shield. Looks absolutely insane, and that's carbon fiber under there. Really, really cool. It is something special, this car. Oh, listen to that click. I love those sound on the G-Wagon. This as well. Oh, very satisfying. So in here we've got all the carbon fiber trim, but that's just from AMG, and we've got brown leather on the seats. In here the changes are not that big, it's just a very well spec'd G63. So we'll start it up with the rear windows down for some extra sound, and can we open those valves? Yeah, start with the valves open. Yes, I always love how they have been able to change the character of this engine, you know, across the range from AMG. If you look at all the models that this engine is in, with like the most aggressive being an AMG GTR Pro, I would say, has the same power as this, but the character and the sound is just so different. It's so much more lazy, and it fits this car really well. Some crackles as well. So let's take it for a drive. And why not start with the windows down? Because we're going to hit that little tunnel right there. I mean, you should always drive this car with the rear windows open. This is just so nice. Woo! Listen to this. Oh, that sounds so good. And I mean, even though this car is mega powerful, the best thing to do in a G-Wagon is to get those rear windows down and do like this. Oh, so dirty. Okay, why don't we start with a 0 to 100 measurement, because I think this car is going to be ridiculously quick. So the Draggy is on the rear of the car. Open the Draggy app. Connect. Yes. Okay, so that's connected. Okay, so we've got the Draggy installed. ESP in sport mode. Stock 4.5 seconds. Let's see what this Manhart will do. We'll do a little brake launch. .92 seconds. Holy moly. 3.92 in a G63. Okay, this car definitely has 700 horsepower. That is seriously impressive. Man, that's 0.6 of a second faster than stock. And you can feel the entire car like squirming and moving around because of that 1100 newton meters of torque. Oh, yes. So if you want one of these Draggies to measure your car's performance, you can buy it in our store, and to celebrate this amazing result, we will offer you a discount code. So if you use the code MANHART in our store in your shopping cart, you will get a 10% discount on a Draggy. So go check it out in the top right corner. How does this G63 by Manhart feel? It also has H&R lowering springs, so that means that the center of gravity is a little bit lower, but that doesn't really say that much because it's still like a super high car, and if you throw this car into a corner with a little bit too much speed, you will feel like this car has a mind of its own. It's more suitable for this. Early shifting, exhaust rumbling away, and just demolish everything that comes near you. Oh man, could actually feel a little bit of understeer when I hit the throttle. So now we are going to take it towards the Autobahn and see what this car is like, because with all that extra carbon, with all those extra body parts, it might also be that the aerodynamic drag is worse than with the stock one. So we're going to test that right now. Stock G63 does 12.81 seconds from 100 to 200, and that's the one we're going to measure, of course. I'm going to spray my windows a little bit. Yes, that's better. And we'll switch the speedometer to a more sporty one, because we are going to do sporty driving. That's the one. Okay, so reset that one. Keep an eye out for the draggy. Oh man, it's fast. .2. Going to do that one more time to see if we can do any quicker than that. .17. Oh man, I always love it when a car performs the way it should. Oh, I love that exhaust. It's just ripping away behind me. Ugh, that felt like a limiter. It's supposed to be delimited, but oh man. What an impressive car, what a good tune, what a cool body kit. I mean, everything just works together really nicely. And you guys are in luck, because this car is actually for sale. MANHART are selling this car. So if you are interested in, well, one of the craziest G classes out there, it is really fast, it looks insane, sounds magnificent. If you're interested, go check it out at MANHART. I'll give you one last sound check. Oh, that really doesn't get old. Handling, wow, check this out. Oh, what an awesome car. I'm going to end it here, guys. We are at the gas station, so thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks to MANHART and Top Car Design for building this awesome G63 and inviting us to drive it. You can subscribe by clicking this button right here. If you want to see more videos, you can check out this one or go check out this playlist. Hope to see you at the next one. Bye.